Made to withstand even the toughest jobs to secure. Quality assured products. Founded in 1921 by Harry Soref, E Yolles. Master Lock is an American company. Master Lock headquarters are in Oak Creek, Wisconsin, United States. Master Lock is an American company that develops padlocks, combination locks, safes and related security products. Master Lock was founded in 1921 by Harry Soref, E Yolles, and Sam Stahl. Soref invented and patented a padlock in 1924. Master Lock headquarters are in Oak Creek, Wisconsin, United States. Top reviews from the United States. Yeeaaa, they work. I really liked these padlocks. They replaced two other padlocks that I described in my review as 99-cent store, sold as is. These new stronger padlocks are more substantial and gives me confidence that it will open and close when I want them to. One of the other padlocks that was replaced with these failed to open when I wanted to open my gate to take my car out. I had to wait till I could go and buy bolt cutters to cut lock off.